Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the maximum discount from Bluehost shared hosting plans. Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you a special trick that will help you to get 70% discount on Bluehost shared hosting plan. Okay, so for that, what you need to do, by default, when you visit bluehost.com, you will see the pricing will be 3.95, not 2.95. So to activate 2.95, what you need to do, you just check the link mentioned in the description, click on that link, it will take you to this website and the special price will be activated $2.95 per month. Okay, now next, what you need to do, you need to click on this get started button. It will take you to the Bluehost different types of plans. Now, whenever you go for the 36-month plan or 3 years plan, you will get the maximum discount on Bluehost. Now, this is always recommended because if you buy hosting for 3 years, you can actually save a huge amount of money. I always do that. So you can see that my website is hostingfaqs.net, and this is also hosted on Bluehost shared hosting plan. If I show you my Bluehost plan, you can see that under my products, it is choice plus web hosting plan. I purchased for 36 months. Okay, renewal is 2023, so a lot of time is left, and with this kind of decision you can actually save huge amount of money. Let's get back to this page. Now let's say we are trying to buy the basic plan, which is $2.95 per month. Just click on this plan. It will ask you to avail that free domain name. You can definitely choose that particular free domain name. Let me choose a free domain name here. So I kept my first domain on Bluehost. Okay, click on next. The domain name is available. Now what you need to do, you just need to put some your personal details, email ID, and etc. So now you can see that the pricing here is basic 36-month price is $2.95 per month. And if we remove all of these things, I'll just show you how much we can save. So the amount is coming as 106.20 and the discount is up to 67%. Now what you need to do, it gives me a pop-up like this. Okay, so this is a special trick. So whenever you come to this page, make sure you either try to take the cursor out or change the plan. Bluehost will give in fact an additional discount. So I showed you 2.95. Now Bluehost is offering even 2.65. So let's claim this savings also. So you can see that as soon as we claim the discount, the price is showing us 2.65. Now the entire pricing has changed. Now it is 2.65, and when we came down, it is now 70% discount. The price has come down from 106 to $95.40 for 3 years, for 36 months. So just imagine, like, you can buy hosting from Bluehost just paying almost $100, and you can save a huge amount of money, almost $228. You can save not only $228. If you buy for 1 year, you have to pay more, and from the next year onward, you have to pay the renewal price on the actual price. This is the first time discount only. You will never get this discount. So make sure you follow this special trick, and whenever you purchase hosting from Bluehost, this way you avail the special price of $2.65 per month. Okay, so that's it in this video. If you find this video useful, feel free to like and share this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.